Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to solve Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Paper 1 core in a session October-November 2023 Paper 1-2. So let's start with the first question. Question number 1, write 8 over 10 as a decimal. So 8 by 10 is 0.8. Question number 2, Isha works in a cafe. Her wage is calculated using the formula wage equals to hourly rate times number of hours plus bonus. Her hourly rate is $11.52. 1 week Isha works 25 hours and receive a bonus of $5.40. That is the bonus, and this much he works. Work out her wage for this week. Okay, so 1 week she works, that is the rate. Okay, so the wage, according to the formula, the wage is going to be, the hourly rate is $11.52 times the number of hours worked. She worked 25 hours plus the bonus. The bonus is $5.40. All right. Let me calculate 11.52 times 25 and add 5.40. That is going to be 293.40. $293.40. Right. Question number 3. These are the first 4 terms in a sequence. Okay. Number A, find the next term. Right. So we have to find out the difference and pick the next term. So the difference between 4 and -3. So this is 4 minus 3. That would be 7. Adding 7. And in 4 add 7. That is 11. Right. In 11 add 7. That's going to be 18. So adding 7 each time. So the next term would be 18 add 7. That is 25. Right. That is an arithmetic sequence. Now for part B, explain how you worked out your answer, right? So how we worked out the answer is added 7 each time. Added 7 each time to get the next term. That is the rule. Question number 4, work out 2 by 5 of 180. So 2 by 5 times 180. Okay, let's work out 2 by 5 times 180. That is 72. Right. Question number 5, write these numbers in order starting with the smallest. Right. Which one is the smallest? 3 over 16 as a fraction. Decimal is 0.1875. 0.1875. All right. 18.7% is 0.187, and this is in decimal. Now what is 9 out of 50? That is 0.18. right? So which one is the smallest? 0.18, 0.19 is the highest one. Yes, so 0.19 is the highest one. So these are dealing with 0.18. So it is 0 over here. That is the smallest one, which is 0.18. So that is 9 out of 50. Right, and from these two, that is 1870, 1875. So this is the smallest one, 18.7%, and then we have 3 over 16. Right. Question number 6, write down the number that is 9 greater than -23. 9 greater than -23, adding 9, so that is negative of 14. Right. Question number 7, for 16 days, Safia records the number of dresses she sells. Number A, complete the stamp and leaf diagram. Right, now with 0, okay, so we have 6 and 9. So 6, 9. Now let me pick with 1. So 1, we have 18, 14, 16, 17, 16, 16, and 15. So the smallest is 14, right? And then we have 15. Just one time is 15. And we have 16, 16, and 16. 16 comes 3 times. And 17 and 18. Yes, 17 and 18. Okay, the next one is with 2, 24, 27, 22, 24, and 20, right? So the smallest is 20. So we have, and then 22, 24, 24, 4 and 4, and the highest is 27. And for 3, we have 37 and 32. So 2 and 7. All right. Now for part B, write down the mod. Mod is the most repeated frequency, which is 666 or 44. So 16 is the mod, the most repeated one, right? Now for part C, find the median. Median is the middle value of the data. Since we have 16 dresses, the total number of dresses are 16. So let me pick the middle ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, these two are the middle one. So we have to find the ratio of these two. Yes, 17 and 18. So 17 plus 18. The ratio of 17 and 18 and divided by 2. That is going to be the median. 17 plus 18 divided by 2. That is 17.5 is the median of the data. Right. Question number 8, write this number, part A, correct to 2 decimal place. So 2 decimal place are till this point. So we have 24.0. So okay, so 2 decimal place, the digit is 7 and the next digit is 8. So 8 is more than 5. So we have to round up, adding 1 in 7, that is 8. Right. Now for part B, correct to the nearest 10. Right, so to the nearest 10. So 2 is the digit at the tens place, right? So next would be 4, so it is less than 5, so we have to round down, so keep the 2 as it is, and we have 0, replacing the 4 with 0, right? Question number 9, we have an equation, find the value of v when we have given u, a, and t. So v equals to u is 30, plus a gonna be minus 2, and t is 7 times by t. So v is equals to 30 minus 2 times 7 is 14. 30 take away 14 is 16. That is the value of a v. Question number 10. Change 62,000 millimeters into kilometers. Okay, so the conversion we have to use is 1 kilometer equals to 1 million millimeters, right? So we have 62,000 millimeters. We have to convert this into kilometers, right? So we have to times both sides by 62,000 divides 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros, right? You will get the answer in kilometers, right? Okay, 62, 1, 2, 3, divide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0.062 kilometer. 0.062, right? Question number 11, the diagram shows 2 straight lines crossing 2 parallel lines. These are the 2 straight lines and these are the 2 parallel lines. Find the value of x. Okay, so we can say these are 2 alternate angles, 50 and 50, both are same. This is also 50 degrees, right? And this angle is 144 and this whole angle is also 144. Corresponding angles, this is 144 and this is 144, right? So this is also 114, not 144. These are the same angles, so we can say x plus 50, this is equals to 114. So to solve for x, we have to do from 114, we have to subtract 50. So here we have to first use a concept of alternate angles. So let me explain one more time. So first we have to use a concept of vertically opposite angles. This angle 50 and this is angle 50. These are 2 vertically opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles are same, and then we have to use a concept of alternate angles. This angle is 114, so this angle is also 114. So easily we can find the value of x. 114 minus 50, this is 64 degrees, that is x. Question number 12, part A, explain why 111 is not a prime number. Okay, if it is not a prime number, it has a factor other than 1 in itself, right? So let me check. It is divisible by which number? 111 is not divisible by 2. 111 is divisible by 3, yes. 3 times 37 is 111, right? Because 111 is not a prime number because it is multiple of 3 and 37, right? Now for part B, find a prime number between 110 and 120. Okay, 110 and 120. So 111 is not a prime number, right? 112 is also not a prime number. It is divisible by 112 is divisible by 2, yes. 113 is not divisible by any number. Yes, 113 is a prime number. 114 is also divisible by 2. 115 is divisible by 2. Divisible by 3. Divisible by 5. Yes. 116 is divisible by 2. 117 is divisible by 3. 118 is divisible by 2. 119 is divisible by 3. No. 119 is divisible by 2. No. 3. No. 4. No. 5. No. 6. No. 7. Yes, it's divisible by 7. So there is only one prime number between 110 and 120, that is 113. Okay, moving to question number 13. Find the bearing of Q from P. Bearing of Q from P. Okay, the bearing of Q from P, it means from the north line of P to Q, this angle we have to calculate. Okay, so if I draw the straight line here, as you can see, this straight line is 180, right? So this angle is 180. So in 180 degree, we have to add something to get that bearing, right? Okay, so if I use the concept of alternate angles, this angle, and this angle is same. These are two alternate angles, right? Okay, as we know, this is a north line, so it is perpendicular. This is 90 degrees, right? So 90 is basically a sum of this angle and 39. So from 90 subtract 39, we will get this angle is 51. This angle is 51. This angle is also 51, right? So the bearing should be 180 plus 51, that is 231, right? Question number 14, part A. As the age of a car increases, the selling price decreases, right? What type of correlation is this? Negative. Obviously, it's a negative correlation because when one quantity increase, another decrease, so it is a negative, right? Now for part B, write down the type of correlation there is between the height of a driver and the value of their car. Height of a driver and the value of their car. There is no correlation between them. Some drivers are tall, some are short, and the value of car, some car values increases, some decreases, so there is no correlation between these two quantities. Question number 15, calculate the interior angle of a regular 9-sided polygon. It's a regular one, so we have to use the formula of measure of each interior angle of a regular polygon is 180 times number of sides minus 2 divided by the number of sides, right? So from 9 take away 2 is 7. 7 times 180 divided by 9, that is 140. That is measure of each interior angle of a regular 9-sided polygon. Question number 60. Philip invests $4,000 for 3 years at a rate of 2.5% per year simple interest. Calculate the value of his investment at the end of 3 years. So simple interest, the value of investment A equals to P into 1 plus RT. Right? The investment is 4,000 into 1 plus the interest rate is 2.5%. And then amount of year is 3. Right? So 2.5 divided by 100 times by 3, add 1 and times by 4,000. That is $4,300 after 3 years. Question number 17. A, B, and C. A, B, and C are the points on a circle center at O. Number A, draw a tangent to the circle at point A. At point A, we have to draw the tangent which touch the circle at exactly one point. That is going to be the tangent at point A. Now for part B, the circumference of a circle is 22.3 centimeters. Circumference is 2 pi r, right? So 2 pi r we have given is 22.3 centimeter. Calculate the radius of a circle. R is going to be 22.3 divided by 2 pi. Right. So 22.3 divides 2 pi. That is 3.549 and rounded to 3.55 centimeters. Right. Now for part C, give a geometrical reason why the angle BAC is 90 degree. BCA, this is 90. Why this is a right angle? Because we know that the triangle over the diameter, AB is the diameter of a circle. It is a right angle triangle, and the angle opposite to the diameter is always a right angle, right? So we can say angle in a semicircle is always 90 degree, right? Or we can say triangle over the diameter is a right angle triangle, and angle opposite to the diameter is 90 degree, or right angle we can say. That is the reason. Question number 18, expand and simplify. So it is 2t plus 2w plus 3w minus 3t, right? 2t minus 3t plus 2w minus plus 3w. So this is going to be 5w minus t, right? Question number 19, without using calculator or workout, you must solve your working and give your answer as a mixed number in its simplest form, right? So we have to do 8 times 3 is 24, and 24 plus 1 is 25 out of 8. 4 times 1 is 4, 5, 6, 7, minus 7 out of 4, right? So we have to make the same denominator. 4 times 2 gonna be 8, so multiplying the second fraction by 2 to make the same denominators. So that is 25 out of 8 and minus 14 out of 8. 2 times 7 and 2 times 4, right? Okay, now we have to do from 25, we have to subtract 14. Okay, from 5 take away 4 we have 1, and from 2 take away 1 is also 1. So it is 11 out of 8, and its simplest form we have 8 times 1 is 8, 9, 10, 11, which is 3 out of 8. That is the answer in its simplest form. Question number 20, the universal set is the students in a class, right? C, the students who play cricket, and F, the students who play football, right? There are 36 students in a class, so total number of students are 36, right? 15 students play cricket and 20 students play football. Number A, complete the Venn diagram, right? Okay. So cricket is 11 we have given, and we know that 15 plays cricket. So 11 plus 4 makes 15. So for football, we have to subtract 4, that is 16 over here. And how much is left to make 36? 11 plus 4 plus 16, the total is 31. Okay, so in 31, we have to add 5 to get 36. So the outer one is 5, right? The Venn diagram is completed. Now for part B, write the number of elements in C union F. C and F, their union, which is 11, 14, and 16. That is 31. We already did. Question number 21. ABC is a right angle triangle. Calculate AC. A to C is the hypotenuse we have to calculate. Since it is a right angle triangle, we can use a primary trigonometric ratios. So we have to calculate the hypotenuse. We know the angle we have. This is the opposite and this is the adjacent of that angle. So adjacent over hypotenuse is a ratio for cos. So we can say cos of 34 degrees is adjacent is 18 and the hypotenuse is AC. Right, to get the value of AC, we can do 18 over cos of 34 degrees. Okay, my calculator is in degrees, right? Perfect. 18 divides cos of 34. That is 21.7. 21.7 centimeter is AC. Question number 22, point A and the line L are drawn on the grid. Okay, there's a point A and a line L. Part A, write down the coordinates of point A. The coordinates of point A is 1 and -2. Right, now for part B on the grid, plot the point -2 and 4. X is -2 and Y is 4. This is the point -2 and 4. Now for part C, find the equation of line L. Right, so for equation of line L, we have to use a formula y equals to mx plus c. Right, so first we have to use the y-intercept. The y-intercept is 3. As you can see, the line cuts the y-axis at 3. So to get the value of slope, we have to use okay, the y-intercept is 3, so y is equals to mx plus 3. Right, now let me solve for m, the slope. Right, for the slope, there are 2 ways to get the slope. By using the 2 points, let's say take this point, which is 2 and 7, and this point, which is 0 and 3, and find out the slope or the gradient, which is y2 minus y1, 7 minus 3 over x2 minus x1, which is 2 minus 0. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is 4 out of 2, and the slope is 2. That is the first way to get the slope. The second way is you have the y-intercept and you can take a point and you have to do rise over run. How much you have to rise? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how much is that 1? 1, 2. So 4 is the rise and 2 is the run. So again, the slope is 2, right? So we can say the equation of line L is y equals to 2x plus 3. Right. Question number 23, bell A rings every 22 minutes. Bell B rings every 14 minutes. Both bell rings at 9. Work out the next time both bells ring together. Right, so that is really simple. We have to find the LCM of the 2 numbers and then we can add the number of minutes, right? So let's do this. So 22, the prime factorization is 2 times 11 is 22. Both are the prime numbers. 14 prime factorization is 2 times 7 is 14. Those are the prime number. Now let me find the LCM of 2 numbers. The common one is 2 and the uncommons are 7 and 11. Right, so 2 times 7 times 11, 2, 7, 11, that is 154. So 154, it means after 154 minutes. We can say both bell rings together, right? So the first time is 9. So this is an at 9. And the next is we have to add 0 hour and 154 minutes. That is at 11:34. At 11:34, both bells rings together after 9. Right. Question number 24. Triangle ABC is mathematically similar to triangle DEF. Calculate the value of x. So when they are mathematically similar, the ratios of their corresponding sides are equal. So we can say x over 7.3. This should be equals to 4.4 over 5.5. So here x should be equals to 4.4 over 5.5 and times by 7.3, right? Okay, 4.4 divide 5.5 and times 7.3, that is equals to 5.84. That is x. Right. So that was the last question of our paper. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comment section and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Take care.